Hey folks, today I want to show you a quick airbrush video. I paint this bust at the moment from Midgard Miniatures. It's really highly detailed and very cool. And as you can see, the face has a little bit different tonality than the breast. And today I want to show you how to get a tone into another color using the airbrush. It's a quick tutorial, so nothing fancy. All you need for it is a working airbrush, and some kind of tone you want to airbrush. This time I used the speed paint from Army Painter because it's the same color I already used on the face. The speed paint colors are already quite thin, but way too thick for this use, so I thin them a lot. For airbrushing I use window cleaner. Still a little bit thick. Okay. The consistency is more like red water. Yeah. I apply this with the airbrush because it gives a nicer finish at the end. You can do it by hand as well, but if you do it by hand, the problem will be that it's possible that you see the stripes of the brush at the end. The advantage by using thin glazes like I do at the moment is that it's not that easy to destroy the surface. If the color is too strong, it can easily happen that you have a too strong red tonality in the color at the end. Usually I would use a fan to dry it, but it would be too loud in the video. This is not the last step by painting the chest area, but it's one of the most important. As you can see, it's already much closer to the head than it was before. Glazing with the airbrush is really fun and totally easy. Remember, if you need a present for someone, you can buy airbrush or painting classes by me. So at the moment these are about 3 to 4 layers of color. You can see that it slightly got red. Okay, I would say for this step that's more or less it. It's now quite close to the, where's the focus point? There. It's quite close to the face. All it misses at the moment is one yellow glaze over the highlights, a little bit, really soft glaze. I will do this by hand and then repaint the highlight a little bit. As I said, it was quite fast. I hope you saw something. Feel free to comment, visit my page for the next tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.